This is Trey Ann with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds for opening day of the 2025 Tampa Bay Fall RV Show. Opening day is here, and the whole show is outside in the fresh fall air. The weather is perfect, and the show is lined with gleaming coaches ready to spark trip ideas. This is the kind of weather that makes it easy to slow down, open an awning, stand in the shade, and picture where your first stop will be. Today is about walking the lots and letting the rigs speak to you. Step up to the patios, feel the outdoor kitchens, check the pass-through storage, and imagine bikes, boards, and beach gear sliding right in. Move outside again and think about camp setup, how the door, the awning, and the grill will all work together when you're parked by the water or under the pines. Sit in the driver's seat with the windshield full of blue sky. Look at sight lines, mirrors, and dash layouts while the morning light shows everything clearly. Move outside again and think about camp setup, how the door, the awning, and the grill all work together when you're parked by the water or under the pines. Because the show is outdoors, you can compare RVs the way you'll actually use them. Stand under a fifth wheel's high profile and feel how roomy it is. If you're eyeing a travel trailer, check out Tongue Hide and imagine your tow vehicle backing in. If Class B vans are calling your name, slide open the door and feel the cross breeze. You'll meet teams from 5 local dealers, all in one multi-dealer RV show. So it's simple to compare brands and packages without driving across town. New RVs of all classes are on display. We even have tow vehicles and toys. So it is a true one-stop shop. And the outdoor layout makes it easy to walk from one RV to the next without losing your flow. There's a vendor tent on site for practical add-ons and RV lifestyle essentials. From RV solar to RV resorts, hitch essentials, and a few campsite comforts you'll be glad you bought before that first weekend away. We also have family-friendly entertainment, a live DJ cranking the tunes. There is plenty of delicious fair food on site, and frosty cold beverages and adult drinks to make your shopping even more fun. The weather is perfect, the gates are open, and the RVs are shining. Walk the rows and dream big. Your next adventure starts today at the Tampa Bay Fall RV Show. The 2025 Tampa Bay Fall RV Show is being held at the Florida State Fairgrounds January 6th through 9th. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.